What's good, YouTube?
Danger.
It's your boy Petrosificationalism. I'm back again with another bang! So guys, today's video, it's a nice and lovely blind date. Yeah, bro. Sit down. Yeah, bro. So road to 100,000 subscribers. So I got these two lovely people. Yeah, it's time for the blind date. Let's get into the video.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Be free. I spend my time alone.
We are back. So, ama rules, ne? No matter what. Ani, Elani, Ama, Kam. Ne? Kitlobita Mrs. Ne? Kitlobita Mr. Was Wutlas Suits or Wutlas Ho?
Any boy.
Aye. Yeah, so Siskali. Now my brother. Brother mine. Yeah, from Tonshan boy in general.
In general.
Yeah.
Eish.
Like
Ukona-
type your colleague.
I'm like I'm not type, yabo.
Like
Type like ngathi ngishos phethe kahle.
okay.
Ngithola like type ngathi uchere like ngitshatsha ngemindset ukuthi umntana usiphethe kanjani, yena unjani. Yayithola. Yeah. Angibuya ngamnje nginatype intona yami.
On that type. Okay, so like when I type back on Tonshan.
Type yami ngicela ukuthi abe mude, abe dadnyana.
Abe
Then
that.
angabi that too much, too forward.
Okay. Ish.
Then yeah, for now I can say that.
Okay. So when usunanya ba umuntu darkish.
Yeah.
Awuzwani namayilo bo.
No.
Wayifuna uzalweni ukuphapha ke. Yena isekazini yabo. Like isenza kanjani because like mina ngathula ku relationship like izobhoka. Hawo, wayifuna uzalweni ukuphapha or now uyaphapha nje yabo.
You can be too forward, but ungabi that much.
Okay, when you say we are papa.
No.
Okay. So when Njayam
Mina vela ayikabi. Injalo nje.
Njalo.
Injalo.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa. So unganye umuntu o prefer like skin colors like dark, yellow.
Boy, any skin color boy. Oh, like in a yellow puna. Yeah, now neta kaitol.
Yeah. But make up your mind, boy.
Boy.
Not shy my PR answers. Funa wena.
Dark boy.
Ngintano dark.
Yeah.
Ngizomtshela lapho kuma comment section phela mina ngilapdot. Ngaphela mina. Yakazi tana babelako.
Yeah.
Babelako. Sure man. So okay, ne? No. Ne?
Yeah.
So far. Ne?
Yeah.
I-voice kadali.
Ivoice nice intwana yami. Yabo.
Yeah.
Yakubonakala umntwana right usiphethe kahle ngithola.
Go. Usiphethe kahle.
Yeah.
Okay. Correct.
Or king unalubo khokhomelo nyana. Never know makaya. Nganyamuzwa naye nangevoice kuthayo. Tano right boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, i-voice kamchita noma yenza i-bass. Phela mina bangijwayela bakhulu banaye akana bass. But bashile bass.
Shell intwana yami.
So,
Ah.
injani i-voice kamchita wakho?
You're right.
Right.
Yeah. It's not a bad voice, but you're right.
It's not a good voice either.
Oh. You're right, Yona. It's not that much bad. I don't know what's in the explanation, but I go bad.
But I go good.
Yes.
Okay. Wie ist das? Oh, okay, so, okay, since it's a voice come to down, I compared, now when the voice like it's sharp,
Yeah.
So, I'm going to send us some. My brother, Sam, what the fuck, bro? Okay. Ne? Ngifuna u-check ngesandla kuphela. Ngifuna ufile ukuthi isize yalesandla lesi. Yathola sinjani like anibambene like I don't know feel strike.
Yo son, yo le nto ngihambe naye ku date ayithola ngilonge ngibambe kanje.
Yathi
yeah, anasekhaya.
ngiyakuzwa wena uthini
So friends boy.
Yeah, right, isandla, but I feel like lo uyashaya.
I know shine bomb. Siyashaya mntana.
Nah, next I.
Hayi umuntu okay like feel mntana misanda saka lo muntu.
Ah, na stop.
One kayo ngesandla si1.
Yeah,
let's sure okay. Yeah. Now zil. Okay, hayi. Usirithanga ngakhe out of 10 isandla kuphela.
I can say 8 out of 10.
8.
Yeah.
I mean it's a 10 out of 10 boy.
Take 10 ntwana yami. Bheka ke boy. Inama red flag kugel.
Akelo uthanda izinto like like yazi angazi ngayibeka kanjani. Maka like ukelo uncane izinto like cause uyabona mengithi ukelo uthanda izinto which is say involve konke. Kuthi uthanda izinto in different ways maka like yeah sengibeka kanjalo.
Ukelo uncane izinto in different ways.
Yeah. Ukuthanda izinto yabona lo abazothi zakala engojeni so into ezikanjalo. Seka lapho. So umntana like thanda kusifaka yabo. Yeah.
Uyazenza lezo zinto lezo wena?
Angizenzi.
Uthini ngale response?
Yeah. Na kubonisa ukuthi like umntana osiphethe kahle, umntana ozaziyo.
Yeah. Okay, so wena uthi yini red flag yakho emjideni?
Angithanda umfana oyemjayiveni. Ethanda umjayiva.
And then manje maybe uboma MC DJ
Angaba yiyo but not all the time. Kamele abe lapho bambuka khona every time.
Ushukuthi wena musu ufuna ngilale ngilambile maka like ukuthi mina ngizokumaintaina kanjani nami esayidini lami ukuthi sazini bheke ithi ngikhipha uche kwami lapho ungafuni wena ukuthi ngenze into right estradeni maka so lala sidlile maka
ngithi yazuthi every weekend niyabhuka so ngizosithola ngesikhathi.
Oh, isikhathi sami nesakho sizoba khona ukuthi like mina ngiyekho amakiki ngiyakutshela ukuthi baby yazi impela show moya yazi ake show moya nje sike sobona abantu.
No problem, as long but I'm not that too much.
manje baka too much like into nizoyenza njani now to book your every weekend?
Kamele sikhulume ngayo leyo shama.
Eish,
like
red flag kuwe umfana ohamba umjive drive.
Maka like kumele kube into emele uyi-understand ukuthi okay sharp so umuntu wama umuntu so as long yena ngihlonipha then yeah that's it.
So uzomhlonipha kanjani?
In fact like uyazi amantombazane hawo ayehlezi akuhlanyela mina u-DJ yabo mu-MC yabo.
Oh so yakuhlanyela wena nje.
Hayi mina boya angihlanyeli. Awungihlanyeli boy mina.
Awukuhlanyeli.
Hayi.
Okay, hayi asiphuma nizoyibona nilungisa kanjani leyo ngithi yeah so asithi ngama hygiene angithola and then ufuna umntana like ucherry onjani hygiene wise like meaning ukumuka
boy
nalaba njani.
Oh, what the fuck? Why we can explain it?
Oh, I don't think could be English.
Oh, English into ephakala ekhaya kanti wawenza ngadawazi manje. Okay, sharp. Mina like ngithanda umntana like anoka kamnandi because nami like yayithola.
Ngikuzwa.
Yeah, umntana sekhaya. So like now she needs to make sure yabo ukuthi right, noka kamnandi. Uthola.
Always. So you don't there's not like okay.
There's not like in
bad days sometimes. Oh, okay, as a 365 days.
No, obviously there's days whereby like Melangbo and Crust.
Okay, as a 365 days of Chiganati, we go 84.
Oh, send me. It's send me. Rotina, me wire boy.
Okay. Dali, wena ufuna umjida onuka kanjani? Onjani like ne-hygiene yakhe wise, ngiyangithola. Because of
Osithandayo.
sometimes ekhasi, okay.
Osithandayo,
Yeah.
olukelela kamnandi, obvious.
Mhm.
Vele umfana amele anuke kamnandi. Nawe guys, you know what.
Yebo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hayi.
Umfana ukunuka kamnandi.
Mona ke.
Ugeza.
Zwi, bathi ufana yini? Hayi lento.
Nah.
So ngiyazithemba ukuthi uzokwazi ukugeza every day.
Hayi kabi. Na uzobona mesicedile ukuthi type C.
Okay, hayi. Yeah, okay, I get. Ngiyamthola. Okay, so striker and okay, sesime ngapha. Funa uthi ebheja.
Kind of.
Uthini uthi ebheja? Yeah, like.
Kind
And
of.
then like
Ifunayo, but kumele kube 50-50.
oh, ku relationship with
50-50.
50-50. But then let's say monthly nyana. If like umuntu mfethu yabona sales asho ukuthi uyabona ushama uya MC nani khakhama gig nana a month maybe like angavusa ngemali njengomuntu wakhe.
A monthly, mhlambe ngingacela imali ekhanda. Ukuthi ikhanda kumele ihlale limit ngoba ngiyintombazane.
Yini imali ekhanda imali.
So
Okay, Quebec. So
I can say the mali angakwazi uyi-afford for mina ukuthi ngibe needs every month is okay.
okay, singa estimate yeah, aboma malini 10k.
It's up to him.
10k right?
It's up to him.
But up to me now. So which is alright, pen and pay.
No,
Why?
no.
Like okay, maybe like Messi Boma Zela ma holiday then yeah. But then the rest of the day is like pen and pay yabo.
Mali dependent.
Free hand, the free hand, yeah, it's all dependent page. Like nalapha ngizobe ngimthanda njalo khona.
Oh,
Eh,
yavuma ipeni bits.
Iphela bese ngiyivuma but i-free hands ngayivuma.
yabo. Like
Oh, athi into eyi-one.
Into eyi-one ngiyangithola.
Into eyi-one
Iphela
there.
bese into yabantwana.
Akusinto abantwana like iyafana nokuthi like uzogcina like istyle osifunayo. So which is
Yebo ipeni
Iphela bese phela umkhino wewuli. Wabantwana.
yo. Amaka like okay, hayi leyo nyayizwa.
Yes. So ngokukama nini month.
Like okay boy yabo. Uthi
Oh,
nazi
1K.
asikhiphe nabangani bakhe.
Izoba 21k.
Yeah, I can appreciate it. Serious.
Yabo uze appreciate at least
Okay.
naye as long namazothi yazini ashimuntu wami merangene shop angicabanga.
Okay, like okay. So ngifuna ungitshela ideal date yakho mntanami. Let's say ngavula no wena naye ni shop and so okay, besides that leyo ngaba maybe ngathi first date. Ideal date yakho mntanami like wena your perfect date in your mind. Asichazise leyo.
Umntwana will be like a night date. Ukuthi ngiphethe something in my hand ngiyangithwala.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
what?
Now we are spoiled. Always have to be a gift intwana yami ngiyangithwala.
Yeah.
Ngimthengele umcwebe, icwebe azongikhumbula ngabo. Ageze nangabo.
Angabi green.
Ayithola.
So
Naso fork and knife isekela ukudla ngezandla. So yeah.
okay, bova so.
Bova. Tsingo. Le ndawo le. Sensini kale ndawo le ngiyayilibala boy.
Oh, restaurant nyana.
Yeah, restaurant.
And ubuya kuyo.
Ngithwala.
Very.
Ngiyawona.
Wena in ideal date yakho like i-perfect date emqondo wakho like ingaba i-date enjani?
Uyazi Petro ngithanda izinto so izinto zifar but not around Soweto.
Oh, ufuna ukuthi makune indawo ezishop la eSoweto.
Not Soweto.
Ufuna abo meet
No,
abo
not Soweto.
947
Not Soweto.
no Soweto. Ufuna like okay so like ungafuna like mongasi like as explaining like usithathe like from ukuthi like ufuna ugcoke kanjani naye agcoke kanjani kwenzakaleni kuleyo dating ngiyamthola. Yeah.
Okay. Singagcoka kahle but angithandi lento yama two piece leyo ukuthi amele sifane sicinga ukufana.
Oh,
Angithandi.
matching piece.
Yeah.
Oh, wena ngeke uhambe nanto
Yeah. I feel like izinto zabantwana. Sizwe abantwana.
Mara. Kanjani? Mara kanjani mara?
Ngifika ngathi sizwe abantwana.
Which is when one skip okay sharp. Nazi keep us as born and the situ sazithanda and it's the same car. Which is ngeke ngisithenge because angifuni ukufana nawe. For e.
Let's make an example. Mhlambe singasithenga but not same color.
Okay, when I so feel somehow mase kuyi same car.
If let's say wafika na same car ungayigcoka uyakhipha manje uthi ngihamba noma
Kahle kahle nakhona ukuthi ngiyamkhipha yimi engizithengile ke ukuthi okay sharp.
Hey, wasithengile then
Yeah.
maybe like naku bowling ufuna nizigcoke for a night date. Ikhipha maybe za eish.
Sorry. Ngasigcoka nangasigcokanga. Yeah.
Ngasigcoka nangasigcoki.
Yeah. Ngasigcoka nangasigcokanga iskipa. But ukuthi seku date sigcoke same t-shirts awa.
Yeah. Izokubhekisela.
Yeah.
Ha manje muswali ngathi uzobuna amahloni ngaye.
Anginamahloni ngiyasho but
Preference.
ngifika ngathi into zabantwana.
Uthi
Yeah,
ngaya
into
answer boy.
zabantwana.
Nah, boy mina ngithi ngivumelana naleyo answer leyo.
Mm.
Yeah, like kanjani?
Hayi, agree.
Like vele like ngiye ngimjudge because like nah iside like
Iside
lokuthi like
lakhe ukuthi.
ufila kanjani ayithola.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Point of view yakhe ukuthi hayi.
yeah, awuthi okay. Ngokubuyela le, let's say awuthi ne maka broke. Uthi ngema ngaba like broke and uyenza imali. Uyenza.
As much I explained to you Petro ukuthi emshadweni ngithi 50-50.
50 ayikho. Ngale 50
I
leya.
know, listen. Ngiyazi. Lalela. Ngiyazi. If akanayo. If mina nginayo mele ngibe khona for yena. Yes.
Ayishisa. Oh.
Perfect
Vele
answer,
Natasha,
ne?
perfect. Like yeah. I think next perfect.
Yeah. Okay. So, so fanta na muthini.
Awusofanya mbona.
Mm.
Yeah, even the mindset, yeah.
Yeah.
Kena switchile yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not all about ukuthi awucheko pakile or unjani. Yeah, mina isayidini lami ngijoleli intombazane mindset ukuthi okay, kusasa ngizothi ngiso because of lo cheer yabo. Yeah, ngithi hayi. Yana noma kuyi ex yami like ayisengine spoon nekhabethe ngine TV kuye angithola.
Whoa.
Oh,
Let's say like noma ngaba eksakho.
Yeah.
Uyazi ukuthi kwakhe uzobuna spoon ne
Ah, like kuzobe kuye like angibonisile indlela ukuthi sistruggle
oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, njengo PDP ewe yamphethe kakhona.
Tukuloyetsa so. Utlogona gore.
No ankaka maka ngathi ngoba yamuza tayi mina zini indaba yakho le ukuthi uyogiga njalo mina ngifile. Ngifuna uyigaphe.
Obviously ngigaphe because into nami yabo engikhoya ngayo la estrateni boy ukuthi nami ngikwazi ukuzimela ngithola.
Okay.
Yeah. Like mina apha nje ukwazi ukuthi ungasacela endlini uzenzele into zakho yabo.
Angiyakuzwa.
Yeah.
Shapa yathi ngizonishiya ngeploma ngani bethi ngifuna like ngikhulume need to nje. I will give you a nice 1 minute just to talk fast. Okay? Ne? But andisondelana. Strike uhleli ngekhona uhlala kanjani? Dalnado uhleli kanje uhlala kanje ne?
No problem.
Yeah. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesilungu.
Mina anyhow boy.
Yadlala boy ngeke ukwenza kanjani. Yadlala ke.
You know lento ngayicelebeleni.
I know.
So there's no need for you to say so. Tukolo.
Yes. Don't call you that name. Igama ngizwa. Baby. Wena to you and Petro.
Go chief the man.
Baba ungasondeli ne? Emission.
That's like so selling zulu yabo. Ngiyabona ukuthi azina intombazane njani yabo.
Ngiyazibongela.
Eish.
Setshentsha ngeke ngiyazibongela.
Ngiyazibongela.
Manje yini ngilethe inkukhu ezingaki? Hlale ngazi ukuthi ngilethe inkukhu ezingaki.
Hayi ngandaba leyo phela mele icocwe phela nabasekhaya.
Alethi inkukhu.
Ngithi ngiyabuza ngilethe inkukhu ezingaki before ngizolethe imbuzi nenkomo.
Oh.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, mina like ngithanda le way umuntu ngakhona ithola since kuzwile nje inkulumo yami yakho ukuthi intombazane enjani nabo.
Okay.
Yeah. I wouldn't say much ukuthi kanjani. Maybe wena ungatshela mina yabo.
Anginako okuningi no, but ngibona ngathi ufana ohluphayo, one-respect, une-behavior, uyakwazi ukusiphatha. Yeah.
Aish, yabona.
Okay.
Vele wangenzela ilanga ngiyazi.
Okay, so strike body count yakhe ingakanani?
Kawu 3 pa. I'm not like intombazane, like when I'm in a relationship, I respect my relationship. Ngithola nomuntu oyi-one. So like kuzoya ngami ukuthi ngicabanga ini kanjani makaye. Mina like angashintsha amantombazane. Prefer ukuthola nomuntu oyi-one leso sikhathi leso. Wait last time sengizomklapela ke. Because yazi nina amantombazane ngama undecided. Yabo. Yeah.
Okay, so anybody count yakho, girl?
Only 2, to be honest.
Cap.
Only 2.
Sana manga yo.
Ngiyakutshela.
Aphela mina ukoko wami uyahlola.
Ngiyakutshela.
Uzokutshela yonke into kokwakho.
Ngizomtshela.
Okay, so now when was the last time we uyenza strike?
Yo, boy, last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
Okay, aye. Okay. I gonna flop. Yeah, I believe I I sure.
I believe last year.
Right, fana nokuthi how phela like coffee says more umuntu like uyayidinga fresh ukuthi like kungabi relationship, just have a peace of mind. Lokuzenzela into zakho. So lungathayileki ezumuntu. Ayikuthi like ngisengishela ukuthi intombazane yakuthanda ina iba khona lento lenhliziyo ethi like iba yi-one. Ayithola. Iba yi-one ungatsho.
Okay.
When I told you put something there.
Mbuzi.
I need to umuntu wama MC in my event. Kanjani last year?
How angithi ukuya ngamuntu ukuthi uziphatha kanjani. Phela mina ngiziphatha kahle. Ngithola ngisilo mfana wekhaya ethi manje yonke intombazane sengiyadonsa ukuthi amfetha sami. Kuthi bena ngiscreamela or ina
Okay. When nini?
This year.
Okay. This year like March. In March.
How last month. You.
Excuse, but it's not much.
You.
Okay. So things in a pack. So this is what's gonna happen then. Ne?
Yeah, I'm gonna say
Strike.
Yeah.
Ngifuna umhlebele. Ne?
Yeah.
Uzofuna ngisuke umprome.
Nani ungaploma nani ungasuka.
Yeah, ngifuna umhlebele.
Yeah.
Into ongamenza yona. Uyachapha fa. Ne?
Yo.
Makanye ngizwakale lapho kuyizozwa uye. So uzwa ke facial expression yakhe ukuthi hayi njami yeah, so you can come, let me direct you. Okay.
Oma lento ngimtshela ngizoyi announce.
Akayi announce leso akuzo ukuthi ngisuke na.
Ozosuka. Angiyeke ngize nokuthi ila. Okay, like iva.
Yeah, that's why ngizokunceda usondela na.
Wena ngizomenza yona.
Yeah, usondela. Ubabunike sho ukuthi uyahleba, makayina kuzo.
Baba sengikhamana ekoloni.
Hayi boy.
Amenza.
Aish, think about this.
Ngamenza. Yo, ngamenza.
Akazi uzwa I don't know.
Athi boy. Hayi le ukuthi ngamenzana ayichange boy. Angazi ngamenzana ichange boy.
Uz.
Okay. Change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ne. Ngihlebele into angayi-expecta from wena. Yeah. Into him. Ngasinto boring.
Sike uva. No.
Sure. How injury is it a cause let I shilo just normal. How do you feel about that?
To be
Right?
honest, because
Oh yebo. Oh yebo. Club so it's okay. Isikhathi sakho ukuthi umtshele ne ukuthi ungamenza. Woza ngapha. Come boy. Khona la. Yeah.
Boys and bugs. Angizongijuluka yo.
Why boy?
Lento aqeda ngitshela ngizongijuluka yo. Hayi ntanga.
Oh, right.
Right.
Oh. Hi Fade. So far, James, how you feel? How you feel with the striker so far? Ngisho
ukuthi yazi you know ilabantwana abasnacks la yazi abaphoqanayo zokulethela energy yabo ezokuyisimoya kantayo umntana naye akwazi ukukhuluma yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like Chami.
Children, but in between yabo.
Okay. Oh, I need to know yes or no. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Lena, how do you feel now? The overall, go on king. I feel like I'm trying to turn up.
Alright.
Alright, you feel like I'm trying when?
Influsion.
Yeah, like. So decided, like, they think it's a match. Talk to me.
Yeah, I think number 9. Yeah.
It's it, right?
Boy. Uhamba namgini.
Hey, Bo.
Uhamba naye kuphi?
Oh, uzongikhipha or
Yeah, not keep. Mutan.
you right. Okay.
On.
On.
Okay, bhekake. Ne? Ngicela. Cela nivala amehlo. Boy. Ngicela ukubeka like ishop like ra.
Ngayi ngithikise.
Yeah, boy, bheke pause. Movie move. Yeah, because onyana. Okay. So boy, vala amehlo. Camera ibhekile.
Yeah, ngivalile.
Eka wena phela unisitili. Yeah, vala ungavuli.
King ngithatha kanjani?
Yeah, blow comfortable. In fact, bhekale. Yeah.
Amathiki.
Big Badamel. Bhekale. Okay. I'm gonna count down. Ne? Usaphila?
Yeah, boy.
Usaphila?
Yeah.
Okay. 5. 4. Nangazi Dr. Love Love. Before babhekana bafethu uhlale nazi angithi angazi lapho kuma comment ngiyapheka phela mina. Angithola. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Ngingabhekana.
Uliwatshela ukuthi bathi ncinci nwa uzothatha. Batshele lapho.
Uba
Yeah, ngithi ngicela batshele ukuthi athi ncinci nwa. Like useyenzi lelo challenge ngoba ungakayenzi. Awungibheka kanjani? Aka believe like ayima. Yeah. So guys, you know it's the things of the things. It's the things of the things. Yeah. What else to keep it?
yeah, so how do you feel about my calendar?
My children, yabo. Yeah. Our children. I have like I won't say much. You don't know right. When it's pretty like clean and so on. Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Okay, wena tali thini ngomjito.
Alright.
Uyamazi? Akazambona yini wena?
Angazi.
now obviously ngeke ngibone phela like yawo. I'm located everywhere to keep. Uzungibona kanjani?
Okay. Is it a match? So uzova now, you know.
Nah, bro. Nah. No, TK. No, I'm listening, bro.
Are you listening?
I'm listening.
She said she's going to go with you home.
Home, by my house.
Eh? Yeah, by your haze. How do you feel though now?
Yeah?
How do you feel now?
In Korean, I won't say much up in Korean. I'm sorry. Funang my Funangita, this is not.
Aye. Keep your cool.
Yeah, I'm still out till I go to like into Mazanema senior charge, Gutunjani, Ganjana.
Okay.
I'm still your type. I'm showing Pinto Mazani, I'm sorry. Yeah, Gutubani, Naranja.
Nice. Sit alone with him.
Right.
Alright. Well, do you think it's a match?
Hmm?
Do you think it's a match?
This can be a match if a guy is willing to be
Boy. No, it's just that like Nalasin Slavicon Gom, Signal line Slavicon Gom and do cheese. Boy.
What do you like? You should see.
No, sing Slavicon Gom somewhere like which is the Abona. Keep it low and Sabi didn't call. Yeah, I ain't cool. Yeah, I won't now. I ain't call. Hey, it's all yeah.
Should like. Mind again, since I like.
Yeah, boy.
Also, no kill already.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm now like a boy.
Unai.
Like as this to guy as a shady smart.
Now you can.
Yeah.
Okay, until now you can. We are enough for my like. Maybe 2 man. My was of Katana, those of God, 1K, man. And then you buy 2.
Boy, Ganja. Young Zuli and is it to Nipa long night. It's one. Why if Manji Missing Kanalo, low Manji Yabo, I say goodbye, style. Was really a conic cancel to me last man. It's all. So much Yabo. It's a piece of legend. Okay, so I see match.
No.
It's not a match. It's not a match. But then, like, how can you get okay?
Okay, let's look at
Yes, really.
okay, so I'm done.
Yeah, my friends, it's your boy. Strike over. I would worry. Was a Tati Kisi, Chomi, Bele. I like to have a fit. Now, as many uploading my kiss this year, and as also upload over Bani. Because in the house, you shimmy order.
Yeah, talk.
Yeah, guys, I was talking to Ribo. Yeah, you know. Mtumengazi futhi nangazi musabanindelu.
To me was my yabon. Yabon. So many good things vibes. Say umntana siphethe kahle. I remember why I go shoot the guys in Israel. The guys país avail after ma.
Oh, whether I think to Mengan.
Bias bona.
How?
Think of Kavi.
Bible. Ayekho umuntu ongazi mina phela.
Hey.
Oh, why? I know me first time seeing you.
Oh, okay. But so angazi into funa bi umnandi.
Yeah.
Sharp. I'll share my TikTok or my YouTube. Okay, Striker. Share.
Hi. Ayazi mina phela ngihlezi ngibekile istem.
Yeah.
Facebook Sportman Striker, IG Sportman Striker, banele hlongwane. As always, TikTok bafethi ngicela ukuyivusa vele like make sure because ngilongiyanibona impilo amakisi Sportman Striker nakhona. Yeah, sure. Sportman Striker 925.
Yeah, tag.
Okay,
guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. About 200,000 subscribers. You know, Kasiton. See you tomorrow.
Make sure, guys, I'm going to need this card of a fit. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.
Danger in goes.